how to fix Instagram story problem. So if you have any problem with the story in your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go into the this apps option here. This is the apps manager. All what you want to do is click on it easily like that. After that, you need to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. When you click on Instagram right now, or what you want to do is click on force stop and then go into the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert and go back, click on storage or the internet storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.